Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove yourself from Facebook page as an admin. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to select your page. Then you need to click on professional dashboard. And here you need to click on page access. And here you can see that I recently added a person but I want to remove that. You simply need to follow the same process. You simply need to click on three dots and here you can see cancel invitation. But if you want to remove yourself, you can see an option here, remove yourself, remove person, or you can remove yourself. Then you need to simply click on that, and by this you can easily remove. So this is the process by which you can remove yourself from Facebook page as an admin. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.